Hi, in this video I will show you how you can automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. It keeps your inbox clean by sorting emails from certain senders straight into their own folder automatically. So the steps are following. We want to find sender which we want to add to different folder. So as an example, I have here some Hostinger emails. So I can just click on one of them. Now click on those three dots in the email. And from the dropdown, choose filter messages like this. This will open this window where you can see the selected email. You can add some keywords if you want to match something specific or the size. I'm going to leave this blank, create filter. First thing you want to select is skip the inbox. It will only go to your folder, then apply the label. This is basically the folder. So here you want to click on choose label. And if you don't have any folder, just click on new label. We will create a new one. So we can name this Hostinger folder. You can also add some subfolders if you want. I'm going to just leave it as it is, create. And also make sure to select also apply filter to 25 matching conversations. Select it, and this will put every email from this address, Teams, emails, hostinger.com to this Hostinger folder. Click on create filter. Now we can go back again to inbox, and you can see I don't have Hostinger here anymore, but it was moved to this Hostinger folder. So I can open it, and here is everything from the Hostinger. So it might take some time to maybe load every email, so you can try to refresh the page. And that's it. Now every new email will be moved automatically to this folder. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.